Hello, every tech enthusiast and smartphone lover. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2025, the Realme P3 Pro. This cutting-edge device is a powerhouse of innovation, offering a perfect balance of performance, design, and durability. Design and display. The Realme P3 Pro is a visual masterpiece, featuring a quad-curved edge-flow AMOLED display that ensures a seamless and immersive viewing experience. With a 6.83-inch OLED screen, a 120Hz refresh rate, and 1.5K resolution, 2800 by 1272 pixels, this device is built for ultra-smooth scrolling and high-definition content consumption. It supports 1.07 billion colors, offering vibrant and true-to-life visuals, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and professional work. The P3 Pro is not just stylish but also rugged. It has an IP66/IP68/IP69 rating, making it resistant to dust, water, and even high-pressure jets. Whether you're caught in the rain or accidentally drop it in water, this phone will continue to perform powerful performance. At the heart of the Realme P3 Pro is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor. Built on a 4nm process, this chipset is designed to handle heavy multitasking, AI-driven applications, and high-performance gaming with ease. The octa-core CPU clocked at up to 2.5 GHz, and the Adreno 710 GPU ensures a smooth and lag-free experience. It comes in multiple RAM and storage variants: 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM paired with 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage. Plus, with dynamic RAM expansion, users can get up to 14 GB of virtual RAM, making multitasking effortless. Unmatched battery and charging. For those who need all-day power, the P3 Pro packs a massive 6,000 mAh Titan battery. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, this battery ensures your phone lasts longer without frequent recharging. And when you do need to charge, the 80W SuperVOOC fast charging gets you 50% battery in just 24 minutes. Professional-grade camera. In the era of mobile photography, the Realme P3 Pro sets new standards with its 50MP Sony IMX896 primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS. This allows users to capture sharp and vibrant images, even in low-light conditions. The 2MP depth sensor enhances portrait shots, creating a natural bokeh effect for selfie lovers. The 16MP front camera delivers high-quality images and videos, featuring AI enhancements for stunning self-portraits. The rear camera supports 4K video recording, while EIS and OIS stabilization ensure smooth and professional-looking videos. Connectivity and software. The Realme P3 Pro is future-ready with 5G dual-mode support for ultra-fast internet speeds. It also features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a USB Type-C port for seamless connectivity. Running on Android 15 with Realme UI 6.0, this device offers a clean, fast, and feature-packed software experience. Conclusion: with top-tier performance, a breathtaking display, a long-lasting battery, and a pro-level camera setup, the Realme P3 Pro is a true game-changer in the smartphone industry. It is expected to be priced around $250 USD or €240 Euro, making it one of the best value-for-money smartphones in its segment. So, if you're looking for a smartphone that excels in performance, design, and durability, the Realme P3 Pro is the perfect choice. Get ready to experience the future of mobile technology.